Hi guys, welcome back to another product review video by Daniel and John. As you can see, we're looking at a DEWALT product. It's the DCL050. It's the 18-volt lithium-ion flashlight. A couple of the main features are it has a 0 to 140 degree angled LED top. We'll show you that in a minute. And a 1000 or 300 lumen LED brightness. It takes the XR range of batteries, like you'd have in a drill, etc. And that's really all we can say. So it comes in about the box. It comes in this nice box. It was £30 from Amazon. The pricing does differ depending when you buy it from. And as John's shown, it comes with these various bits of paper, like a 3-year guarantee.
But you've got to register it within 4 weeks.
It comes with a nice manual, various safety things. It also shows you how it works. And that's the 0 to 140 degree. So basically it's like a drill, isn't it?
So it takes the same batteries as your DEWALT drill.
So that's the DEWALT drill there.
So if we...
So we've got a 4 amp hour XR battery on this. You can put any XR battery, but depending on the amp hour, how long it lasts basically.
So if I go from the bottom up, so it takes, as we know, it takes the XR batteries. On the side of it here, there's a recessed hole for a belt clip, which is an additional accessory that DEWALT do. It's got a nice trigger there, sort of 2 modes. So that's like, and then it dims a bit, which is quite good.
Yeah.
On the rear, you can hook some on, so you can hook it elsewhere.
Nice rubberized handle, real
yeah,
grippy.
It feels very much like the drill, to be honest. So literally goes all the way back, so you could have that shining up at a ceiling or somewhere like that inside a cupboard if you're working on something.
Or even under a car, because it faces up if you're underneath.
So it's quite good. Face it down. So it's rubberised around here, which gives it a lot of protection. It's got a really substantial heat sink in there because it's obviously producing a fair bit of power.
With several vents on the side.
There and there, so it doesn't overheat. It's got a hook there, so you can hang it as well, which is good. It doesn't lock in that, so just be careful. So
just pushes in, doesn't it?
It's for hooking on stuff, so that's quite useful, I guess. It's got the 3 LEDs. I'll turn it on low, so you can try and it's there. Generally, it's a quality product. It's not too heavy. Uses, obviously tradesmen, DIY enthusiasts, car repairs, even in the event of a power cut, safer than candles. It's, like I say, 35 quid, you've got to get your batteries.
But as I said earlier in the video, do shop around for this, because we bought it for 30 odd, which I think is a fairly good price for what it is and what we want to use it for. But there are places where it's 50, 60, so definitely shop around.
Yeah. If you haven't got a DEWALT battery and you've got, say, Milwaukee, you can now get adapters that will basically allow you to use your Milwaukee battery in the DEWALT drill and vice versa. So
I think you could probably, on this, I think you could probably use a smaller amp hour battery.
Yeah.
That's 4 amp hour, but that's on the drill, so obviously you need that.
You might find if you want to get a couple of batteries, just a top tip, sometimes it's cheaper to buy, say, a new drill, which comes with 2 batteries
and a charger.
Than buying these things separately.
Definitely look into that.
You need to just shop around and look into that.
So you can buy a DEWALT drill at the time of making this video in the UK. You can buy a DEWALT drill, 2 of them 4 amp hour batteries and a charger for about £130, which is actually quite a good price, because if you buy the batteries separately, they're 40, 50 plus.
And you get a spare charger as well. So
it's
quite a good deal.
And you get another drill. It's always handy to have another drill.
We've done that because it's a cheap option to go down. All in all, I'd say 10 out of 10 for this. It's the usual DEWALT quality. I like it, especially that function there. Again, another little top tip: the heavier your battery, the bigger your battery, I guess the more stable it is.
The light doesn't weigh a lot anyway, so
I mean it's
very bright. Yeah.
It's if we turn the light off in here.
Yep. I'll show you.
And if I can get up, well off. Right, so you can see how bright it is.
And also, it's a nice white light. It's not.
Yeah,
it's not orange or yellow, which means if you're an engineer working, you'll be able to see things properly. If you're a plumber, if you're an engineer.
I'll tell you the other thing I like about it. It doesn't diffuse too much the light everywhere, so you can focus it in, get it close, and you can see it. It gives you a bit on the outside.
If you put it on the floor, it would give you quite. I mean, obviously, it's not dark in here, but so you can see everything properly.
Version.
Yeah, the 300 lumen. That's the 1000 lumen.
So it's pretty good.
So the 300 lumen would be ideal if I just turn the light back on. If you didn't want, if you had reflective surfaces, I guess, and you didn't want too much light bouncing back, but you still needed a bit of light, you could then use the 300.
I mean, even that function where it's quite low light.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you should use it for that, but wouldn't this be great if you're a nurse and walking around the wards at night?
Might startle the patients.
Yeah, but that's low, so you can see things as you're walking around. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
The ability to do that, nice and comfortably.
So let's just take a look before we close the video up. Let's just take a nice look at it. So this obviously, this is the nice. This you have the belt clip there, and you would then put that upside down on your belt. This isn't included. It's got that bit there. It's got that bit there. So there's plenty of things to tie it off on. It's got this very nice rubberized handle.
Yeah, really nice.
It's got the LED heatsink inside, quite substantial. Lots of airflow for it. Big thing at the side. Nice hook.
Nice chrome hook.
Yeah,
nice,
so you can literally hang that up on pipes and things.
End, so it's not sharp, which is quite good. Nice.
DEWALT 18V XR Lion, lithium ion, and that's the bits on the side. Type 2. Very nice.
Don't forget I know we've already mentioned it. Comes a 3-year guarantee. That's DEWALT's promise, basically.
Yeah.
If you register it within 4 weeks, so it's worth, I think, registering that.
Might be, if you're using this a lot, it might be worth registering that.
Especially if you're a trade.
Because it's LED, so you know.
You might need another one every year. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope this has brightened your life up a little bit. Thanks.